This is the story of a man from Monte Carlo. His name, Carlo Monte. Rally driver, fashion engineer, avant-garde artist of the avant-garde. His tale began at that fateful rally, when his father, the dashingly handsome and devilishly fast Czech rally driver Julius III called Monte, met his mother, Felicia de Fabia, actress, model, Italian. Their courtship was brief, their romance passionate. The result, a star was born. Raised on the Riviera and educated at Oxford, his parents taught him two important lessons. One, how to drive, and two, how to live. Things that Carlo does in full. To quote the man himself,
Why not?
why not indeed? With his loyal friend and co-driver Bella the dog, he traveled the globe to broaden his perspective. First, by taking on the world of fashion, and then storming into the realm of high art. Most recently, he was introduced as test driver at the prestigious Škoda Clever Car Center. A true Renaissance man, and in the words of his friends and admirers,
so passionate and smart.
Beautiful man.
The best lover I ever had.
yes, his legend continues, for it wouldn't be a Monte Carlo if it weren't for Carlo Monte.